Hi, this is Riley. And Riley, I adjusted her within the first hour of her life. And how old are you now? 6. You ready for an adjustment? Okay. Remember what to do? Lay down. Let's get the power on. And we're checking her back. I think girls are ticklers sometimes too.
Riley.
And they make funny noises. Turn towards me. Are you in kindergarten? Hmm? On your back.
Yep.
Back. Okay, remember this one? I hug you. You get a hug. You'll hear it.
Tickles.
Ready? Thank you. Thank you.
Careful, she might kiss you.
Yes. All done.
Yay!
Power on.
What do you say, Riley? Feel good? All right, we'll see ya.